In this video, I'll show you how to create a sequence activity. First, open your teacher dashboard. Click Create New Activity. This will take you to the Activities page. Scroll down to the Individual Activities section. Find the Sequence activity. Move your mouse over the activity card. The card will flip over automatically. Click Create Game. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for your activity. Then choose whether your activity will be public or private. A private activity is visible only to you and your students. A public activity can be discovered and used by other teachers through the Edvento activity library. When you're ready, click Create Activity. Now you're on the activity creation page. The first step is to choose a background. Click the Theme button. Select the background image you want to use. Next, scroll down to the Task Instruction section. Here, write the instructions for your students. Arrange the countries from the largest to the smallest, from top to bottom. Now look at the right side of the screen. You'll see the Sequence Steps panel. Click Add Step. Each step represents one item in the correct order. Enter your first item. For this example, type Russia. Click Add Step again. Enter China. Add another step. Enter Turkey. Finally, add one more step. Enter Azerbaijan. The order you create here is the correct answer. Edvento will automatically shuffle these items when students play the activity. After adding all your steps, click Save Changes. Then scroll back to the top of the page. Click the Save button. Your sequence activity is now ready to use.